everything is absolutely what I would expect it to be out of an airliner. So it's got lights, it's got retracts, it's got flaps. Guys, this thing is a real winner. There's no other way to say it. So it's a real winner.
Winner chicken dinner.
I think one thing about this one too is the niche for this one is like, you know how you have like the AL-37 that Freewing has. It's a much larger airplane.
Yep.
This one's good because for the people that don't want a larger airplane, this one's easy to put together, literally. You literally slide the wings on. It has 4 little screws that stay in the airplane. You screw them down, and you're done.
I like the scheme.
The scheme's good.
I like the scheme on this.
All the decals already on there, and it has some extra decals if you want to, you know, put them on there. But it came out of the box like this. So this is a really nice setup, guys, for anybody who wants a really nice flyer. No negative tendencies whatsoever. Just a great flying airplane. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you like this review. Also check out RC Pilot Will's channel as well. He always has some cool, interesting things going on his channel as well, and good reviews. So check him out and spread the love. But guys, this is an awesome bird, man. I want to get some more flights on it, and so stay tuned. Here we go. Nice.